Oh, damn it!
Isn't that weird?
Holy crap.
It's like a flower.
Yeah.
Like a flower, but not to your car.
Whoa!
Not on the top of my car.
Holy crap. That's definitely a
That could easily, you should put a helmet on, Harlan. Are you crazy? I got a helmet on top of the refrigerator right here. There's a helmet right over there.
I think the hailspray was done.
I hope so.
I think that's done.
Jeez, I bet I took out the window and let me get over here so I got the light the right way and get a close up. That is huge. We should have a tape measure.
You didn't break them though.
You got your tape measure, Les? Les, you got your tape measure on you? Oh. Look at the size of that. I'm going to zoom in and on it here.
Man, that makes some noise when I hit.
There's some bigger ones over there.